Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right, right now we're gonna talk about the 1099A and also the mortgage license to lend. And this one I'm gonna say before I start. I'm gonna commend Christopher Hauser. I'm gonna commend a lot of people that came out and was talking about how can we acquire properties using the 1099A document, right? Now, one thing I don't want people to do not disqualify the fact that a lot of people woke up just for the thought of that. I can file a document that can give me a home. I can acquire property just by filing a document. But it's deeper than that, y'all. Look at it like this, right? The license to lend and the 1099A run 100% the same. And what I mean by run 100% the same, I'm talking about the mortgage license to lend. You get it through the website, right? You pretty much get that professional occupational license. It's an NMLS license, and it's a mortgage license, and you pretty much have the license to lend and extend credit. A lot of mortgage firms and companies that y'all will be seeing throughout the state, it really depends on your power to lend, because everybody has different lending power. You have some mortgage companies, like I just talked to a broker, he got $125 million in lending power. Another company might have $300 million in lending power. Another company might have $400 million in lending power. And to become a mortgage lender, right, to actually extend credit on behalf of mortgages and to purchase homes, it costs $25,000 for that whole damn process. And I actually finna post a link right now in this description to show you guys the whole PDF, the whole rundown on what a mortgage license is, or the license to lend, or the license to extend credit. So if anybody interested into like being their own bank, the private bankers get you a banking license, understand this is all in the public. Anything that's dealing with federal obligations and federal debt notes, and you having access to the treasury, that's all public record, y'all. All public record. So since that's all public, we got to understand one thing. We have to realize that that those professional occupational licenses, they monetize. So the Federal Reserve monetized how much money you lend out. You have to file it with the IRS on how much money you lend out. So it really has a lot to do with lending. So if you want to learn about lending and you want to take the advantage of being a business and you want to lend for individuals, you can. And also every lender can create their own criteria. Every lender don't have to say, man, I take cash, or you have to have an 850 credit score. You create your own criteria. That's what banks use anyway. They use their own scoring systems. They use their own methods. They use their only way to figure out how much they'll charge you on a month-to-month basis with a mortgage, right? So every company is different. Like Navy Federal, they're not the same as Bank of America. Bank of America ain't the same as Wells Fargo Chase. Wells Fargo Chase ain't the same as USAA Bank. You feel me? So you got each bank have their own lending criteria. So, like I said again, the 1099A and the license to lend is different, but at the same time, it gives you an open mind to realize there is something out there that's tangible. But I'm actually gonna show you guys what the hell mortgage lenders and big banks use. All of them have a license to lend. All of them. And I'm gonna send it right here in this description. Read over it. It's like a 25-page document, and to tell you how to get on the NMLS website, and you pretty much can look through everything, how to fill out the application. You got to fill out an MU1 form, and you got to fill out an MU2 form application, and you furnish that over to your state, because every mortgage lender is licensed by each state. So if you're in Minnesota, you will get a Minnesota license to lend. If you're in Florida, you will get a Florida license to lend. Each state varies too, depending on their taxation and how they operate with their licenses to lend. And it's really not really a long time to get it. It really takes about a couple months to get the license to lend, really. So whoever interested in that, I'm not gonna really be talking about the 1099A no more, really, but this just to give you guys the understanding of how to make money. If you want to start a business, whatever you're trying to do, I really don't know what everybody's trying to do, but make sure that you constantly growing knowledge and you constantly get the evidence and the results. So what I'm gonna share with you guys, this the proof in the pudding. There's no more, there's no less. It's nothing else we should be talking about besides, are you gonna get the license or not? But if you in this business just to get one house, get an 850 credit score, go to Navy Federal. They offer 100% financing on the loan. You can do that. I'm out.